So we're rebuilding the Opal Coburg 2006 toilet, and we're just checking spend an hour checking for water leaks. We've put the new pan seal, this is the old one, so we put the new pan seal in and we're just checking for leaks down here. Then we'll put the cistern back on and we've got the new bolts. There's no point using the old washers. It's not worth taking the risk with those. So we've got the new kit from Caroma. Cistern will go on. We've got the new cistern to pan foam seal. And then we've also got the outlet diaphragm, the new one that sits in here. This all unclips here, pulls out. And then finally, thankfully, Caroma do an upgrade on a 20-year-old inlet valve float system, which is quite incredible. You can see here, it says cracked at the end. So there's no point in putting this back on, it leaked. But thankfully that is quite cheap. So all of that is pretty much for less than $100.